Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
சரி சரி வெயிட் பண்ணு, அங்கேயே நான் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது. அங்கே ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும் பாப்பா. கனெக்ட் ஆகலை.
அப்ப வீடியோ வரவே இல்லை.
Yeah, we are about to begin the ceremony.
मेरा फोटो दिख रहा होगा क्या? ऑन कर लूं? कहाँ पर? यहाँ से अच्छा लगेगा वीडियो.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all to the award ceremony of 8th Academic Achievement Awards, which is supposed to be held today in Mumbai. But as you all know, due to global pandemic, it was not possible for all of us to gather in Mumbai today. So from my management, from Education Expert team, I welcome you all to the award ceremony here. With me, I have Dr. DC Singh, our Chief Research Advisor, who is also joining you during the ceremony. So, before announcing the award, I must tell you about our company and what all we are doing. So here formally we goes. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the award ceremony of 8th Academic Achievement Awards. I am RB Singh. I am the Director Marketing and Branding. And let me give you a brief introduction about Education Expert TV. Education Expo TV is India's fastest growing research and branding company, founded in the year 2011, with main focus area in the education sector. Within the span of only few years, the company grows from strength to strength and expanded its operations in real estate, hospitality, entertainment, and edutainment sector. The company provides services of rating, ranking, research, and branding solution. With this, I welcome you all to this award ceremony. Now, I would request, I would like to invite Dr. DC Singh, Chief Research Advisor, to throw some light on the 8th Academic Achievement Awards 20. Before he comes, I must give his introduction. Dr. DC Singh, he is heading the research wing of Education Expo TV. His position is largely responsible for all research and branding related activities of EET-CERS. He is holding doctorate degree with vast experience in educational and industrial research. So now, without taking more time, I invite him to throw some light on Academic Achievement Awards 2020. Dr. DC Singh.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Academic Achievement Awards established by EET-CERS with the mission to identify best practices in teaching, research, and technology field. The evaluation criteria followed by us is based on the parameters like scientific paper written as first author, review and article published, books and chapters written as again first author, and book edited, principal in investigatorship of projects, seminars organized, invited talks given on radio, television, popular article published, patent files, and consultancy project undertaken. The administrative expertise also has been taken into account for Best Principal and Director Awards. Our mission is to create value-based media for the world. And this Academic Achievement Awards 20 is one of such initiatives. We at EET-CERS are committed to bring the honest opinion, social change, and justice to all the services. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. DC Singh. So let's move to the result section. As my senior already informed you about the evaluation criteria and other things, so here I am going to announce the result category wise. First, we begin with award for special achievement. So the first award for special achievement goes to Dr. Banarsi Lal, Senior Scientist cum Head of KVK Raisi, Jammu and Kashmir. Congratulations. Next award for special achievement goes to Mr. Ashish. He's a technical officer in the agriculture field of Agronomy Division, CSIR, CIMAP Research Center, Telangana. Congratulations to him. Next award for special achievement goes to Miss Gul Afreen. She is a senior research fellow, chemical engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Congratulations. Next award for special achievement goes to Dr. Devina Hijam, Associate Professor Biochemistry from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Manipur. Congratulations. Now, the Honorable Jury Mention Certificate goes to Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Tyagi. He is the Executive Engineer in Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Haryana. Congrats. Now, the Official Spotlight Certificate in Special Achievement category goes to Mr. Manoj Kumar Suresh Prasad Shukla. He is a teacher working in Surat Municipal School Board, Gujarat. So, congrats. So, now let's move to the Young Faculty category. So, in the Young Faculty category, award goes to Miss Shafia Mohiuddin, Assistant Professor, Sociology from Degree College, Gandharbal, Jammu and Kashmir. Congratulations. Now, the faculty category. In the faculty category, the best faculty award goes to Dr. Arvind Neral, Professor and Head Microbiology from Pandit J.N.M. Medical College, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations. Next best faculty award goes to Mr. Jay Prakash Kant, Senior Lecturer, Hotel Management from Chandigarh Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Chandigarh. Congratulations. Now the Honorable Jury Mention Certificate in this category goes to Dr. Prakash R, Professor Microbiology from Raja Rajeshwari Medical College, Karnataka. Congratulations. The Official Spotlight Certificate in the faculty category goes to Dr. Suvarna Gund, Associate Professor, Head of Marathi Department from Mauli Mahavidyalaya, Vadala, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, the Outstanding Faculty of the Year award. There are two winners. The first winner is Dr. Sachin C. Sarode, Professor, Oral Pathology and Microbiology from Dr. D.Y. Patil Dental College and Hospital, Maharashtra. And the second Outstanding Faculty of the Year goes to Dr. S.T. Ramesh, Professor, Civil Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations to the both. Best Principal Award. It's for the school, and the Best Principal Award goes to Dr. G. Anant, Principal, Higher Secondary School, Mahindra Matric Senior High Secondary School, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Now let's move to the next category, and it's an award for excellence in research. The award for excellence in research goes to Dr. T. Venkat Narayana Rao, Professor, Computer Science and Engineering from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, Telangana. Congratulations. Next award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Gargi S. Sarode, Professor, Oral Pathology and Microbiology from Dr. D.Y. Patil Dental College and Hospital, Maharashtra. Congrats. Next award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Prakash R, Professor, Microbiology from Raja Rajeshwari Medical College, Karnataka. And the last award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Trik Chattopadhyay, librarian from St. Paul Catholic Mission College, West Bengal. Congrats. Now the Honorable Jury Mention Certificate in this category goes to Dr. Sayyid Tabussum Sultana, Professor and Principal from Maturji Institute of Postgraduate Studies, Telangana. And the Official Spotlight Certificate in this category goes to Mr. Satish Babu Kolambal. He's an Assistant Manager, retired from Finance Department from KSMC FE Kerala. Congrats. Now, in the research category, the best researcher award goes to Dr. Sada Bihari Sahu, Assistant General Manager, Administration and Premises Vertical from Small Industry Development Bank of India, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Next best researcher award goes to Professor R. Jindal from the field of zoology from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Congratulations. Now the honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Umesh C. Lohani, Assistant Professor, Post Harvest Process and Food Engineering from GBPAU and T Uttarakhand. Congrats. And next honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Saroj Kumar Rana, Senior Research Officer, Community Medicine and School of Public Health from Postgraduate Institute of Medical and Education Research, Chandigarh. Congratulations. Next, let's move to the next category. And the next category is Young Scientist Award. The Young Scientist, there are 3 winners in the Young Scientist category. The Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. Neerja Rana, Associate Professor, Basic Sciences from Dr. Y.S. Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry, Himachal Pradesh. Congratulations. Next Young Scientist Award goes to Dr. Bhavesh Dekha, Scientist of Entomology from North Bengal Regional R&D Center, West Bengal. Congratulations. The last Young Scientist Award in this category goes to Dr. Ritesh Kamal Singh, Senior Chemist, Environmental Cell from MSPGCL, Kaparkheda, TPS, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Now the honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Wagem Diana Devi, postgraduate student of biochemistry from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Manipur. Congrats. And the last honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Roshan Kumar A. Patil, Junior Consultant Radiation Oncologist from SCG Manavta Cancer Center, Maharashtra. Congrats. Now let's move to the last category of this session, which is the Scientist category. The Best Scientist Award. The Best Scientist Award goes to Dr. Mohan Kumar Vishwas, Assistant Professor, Plant Pathology from Institute of Agriculture, Pali Shiksha Bhavan, West Bengal. Congratulations. And the last award of the season, the Best Scientist Award, goes to Dr. Piyush Kanti Mukherjee, Principal Scientist, Agronomy, ICAR, Directorate of Weed Research, Madhya Pradesh. So, ladies and gentlemen, here are the all awardees list, and those names are not appeared in the list, they will get the certificate of participation, and within a 5 to 10 minutes, the same result will be available on the website, and we will send you the email as well. Now, once again, I would like to invite Dr. DC Singh for the vote of thanks. Dr. DC Singh for the vote of thanks. Are you getting my voice, sir?
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah. So I have invited you for the vote of thanks.
Okay, all dear participants and those who are not here, those who are not joined, we are very thankful to all of you, those who have sent their contribution, academic contribution, and it is very privileged for us to review all these things, whatever documents we have sent, and then we hope that we'll be receiving next time also from all of you, and we hope that you will do another research, or better research, or useful research for the country and humanity at large. So, first and foremost, I give thanks to all participants, those who have joined or those who have not joined, and those who have applied for this ceremony and this certificates, all of this. And then I give thanks to my all team members, office persons, those who have done a great work in this thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And before we all rise for the national anthem, the soft copy of the certificates you will receive probably tomorrow or day after. And within probably in the 15 days, we will send you the hard copy of your certificates and trophies. So before we conclude the ceremony, let's rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा जन जननि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाने तव शुभ आशीष माने गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you very much, everyone, and keep good take care of yourself and family and your nearest dear during this global pandemic. And we hope, and we are hopefully that next year we will be doing this in the Mumbai as usually we are doing in the previous year. And thank you very much for joining in this award ceremony, and congratulations to each and everyone for participation, and for the winners obviously for the winning, and thanks for supporting us in all these years. And so if you have any concern, you can always write us through email. And so with this, I announce the Academic Achievement Award 2020 close for this year. Now we will be meeting next year positively.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.